Maggie, your programming librarian here. I thought I would pop on and show you guys a fun, quick little craft. I am going to be making a treat jar, and this one's going to be Easter themed. But you can do this for anything. You can use it for holidays, you can do a non-holiday one. It doesn't even have to be for treats either. If you want something for maybe cotton balls or hair ties, you can do that as well. So you just need a jar. I got this one from Dollar Tree. And I have a decal that I've already made, ready to go. I have a Cricut and a Silhouette, so I make my decals on there, but you can use anything. There are lots of adorable rub-on decals at Dollar Tree. Stickers, if you want to make this with the kids, you can let them sticker it up if they want. You can also, if you find an image online that you like, you can print it off of the computer and you would just tape it on the inside of your glass, and then you can trace it over with puff paint, which I don't have, or I would show you, but it stays on really nice once it's dry. So that's another alternative for you. So there's lots of ways you can decorate these. And I've also got a little topper for mine. I used him for something else previously, but I'm now gonna take the stick out because I'm gonna glue him on the top. And these you could also find at Dollar Tree, things like this. This guy came in a 5 or 6 pack, so I'm going to use him. And I've already cleaned my jar because I do plan on putting food in it, so I just wanted to have it ready. And I'm just gonna press this down really well. I'm using transfer paper just so I make sure I get my decal on straight. Okay, and you can see that's the back of it. You can see it a little bit better. And now I just want to make sure I get this in the middle on my jar. Okay, perfect. So now I'm just going to press this on. Depending on which method you use, you know, if you do the puff paint, that'll certainly take a little bit longer. If the kids just want to put stickers, that will take up the least amount of time, of course. But you can use anything you want on here. Rub-ons are very simple too. There's also printable labels. If you happen to have those, I know most of us probably don't have those on hand, but for the future, that's something you can also use. There's clear labels as well as white, and you can print on either of those and stick those on here. I have only used the clear ones myself. I have not used white ones. If you are doing decals like I'm doing and using the transfer paper, as you can see, it definitely is a little bit tricky, but still well worth it to make sure you get everything aligned properly. I would hate to finish this and it's not straight. So I'm just making sure my jelly beans come off. stuck to one of my letters there for a moment. Okay, so I'm just gonna press my decals on. Make sure they're nice and stuck on there. So now that we've got our decal, if you're gluing something to the top, hopefully your glue gun is nice and hot by now. I'm just going to take him and put him right on the top. Could do it either sideways or to the front. I think I'm going to do it sideways. Just going to put a little bit of glue. All you really should need for this is hot glue. There are other glues that are even a little more permanent, like E6000. If you're worried, you can always use that as well. I'm just going to hold him on here for a minute. Just get my garbage out of here, and there is our cute little tree jar for Easter. You can put a decal on 2 sides, all 4 sides, whatever you want to do. I am just going to put one on the front. That's all I need. And what kind of person would I be if I didn't have something ready to go? And there you have it. Jelly bean jar, all ready to go for Easter. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft. If you did, comment below if you have any other ideas, or if you do this craft, definitely post a picture below and show us how it turned out. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.